Adelaide, what did you just say to me? What did you just say? Well, yes, but there was also something else.
Adelaide, do you want this? No? No, no.
No.
Honey? You guys have to wink at her. Okay. Okay, you're gonna show us how you wink. Are you recording?
Adelaide, can you wink? Yeah. 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 Adelaide, wink at Papa. Yes.
Ready to wink?
Adelaide, what's the sign for touchdown? Yay!
What's the sign for banana? Banana. Good job.
Adelaide, what's the sign for?
No, no. Say no, no.
No.
You're funny.
Adelaide, can you laugh like Papa? Can you laugh like
Somebody
Papa?
better demonstrate. Here, we'll move her closer to the table.
Adelaide.
Can you do that? Can you give me a wink? Good job. Can I have another wink? Stand up. Wink for the camera. Good winking. Good winking. Can you also show us the sign for bird? Bird. Good job. Good job. Whoops. Oh, there you are.